Shopify and BigCommerce both claim to offer seamless payment gateway integrations, but which one truly stands out in terms of ease of use, flexibility, and transaction fees? In this video, we're diving deep into the payment gateway integration features of both platforms and examining how they compare. Stick around till the end to find out which one is the best fit for your business needs and whether there's a better alternative out there. First things first, let's talk about Shopify. One of the biggest selling points of Shopify is its vast range of payment gateway options. They support over 100 different payment providers worldwide. Whether you're using PayPal, Stripe, or even some niche regional options, Shopify is likely to support your choice. But here's the catch: Shopify also pushes its own payment processor, Shopify Payments. If you use Shopify Payments, you'll avoid additional transaction fees, which is a pretty strong incentive. But if you want to use an external gateway, like PayPal or Authorize.net, be prepared to pay extra fees, something that can stack up, especially for small businesses. Next thing, BigCommerce. Like Shopify, BigCommerce offers a wide variety of payment gateways, supporting over 65 different providers. But unlike Shopify, BigCommerce doesn't impose additional transaction fees when using third-party gateways. This is a big advantage for businesses that rely on external payment processors, as you won't face any hidden costs. But BigCommerce does have a limitation here. While it offers more flexibility in payment processing, it doesn't quite match Shopify's extensive list of integrations. Some international payment providers, for instance, may not be supported as smoothly. The third thing to note is user experience. Shopify's payment gateway setup process is known for being user-friendly, which is great if you're a beginner. Shopify walks you through each step, and you can activate and integrate payment gateways with minimal hassle. BigCommerce, on the other hand, has a more complex setup. While it offers great flexibility, you might need some technical knowledge to get everything working perfectly. This might make it less appealing for someone just starting out, but if you're more advanced and need that extra control, BigCommerce could be worth the learning curve. The fourth thing, fees and transaction costs. As mentioned earlier, Shopify charges transaction fees for using third-party payment gateways. These fees range from 0.5% to 2%, depending on your plan. So, for high-volume stores, these fees could become a significant expense. BigCommerce doesn't charge any transaction fees at all, making it a more cost-effective choice if you're not keen on using their native payment processor. However, BigCommerce payment processor options can be a bit more limited compared to Shopify's, especially for international transactions. Finally, let's talk about customer support. Shopify's support is extensive and includes 24/7 customer service through phone, chat, and email. They also have a large knowledge base and community forum to help with payment gateway issues. BigCommerce offers solid support too, but it's not as accessible as Shopify's. You can reach them through live chat, email, or phone, but wait times can be longer, especially during high traffic periods. So, which one offers better payment gateway integration? Shopify definitely wins on variety and ease of use, but BigCommerce wins on cost effectiveness for businesses that need external gateways and want to avoid transaction fees. Both platforms have their pros and cons depending on your business needs. Now, after trying both Shopify and BigCommerce for payment gateway integration, if you're looking for a platform that combines ease of use, great support, and no hidden transaction fees, I'd recommend checking out the free trial of the platform linked in the description below. With this exclusive offer, you'll get the best deal available only through this link.